In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to Google Sites. If you want to make your Google site more engaging with an embedded game, the process is quick and straightforward. Start on the page where you want the game to appear. On the right side of the editor, look for the Insert panel and select Embed. This opens a small window where you can bring outside content into your page. Think of Embed as the bridge that lets your site display content hosted elsewhere. Next, type the URL of the game you want to add. Use a direct, secure link that starts with HTTPS. It's important to choose a game that allows embedding. Some sites block this for security or licensing reasons. After you paste the URL, Google Sites will try to generate a live preview. If the preview appears and the game looks correct, you're in good shape. If it doesn't load or shows an error, the source may not permit embedding, so consider finding the same game from a different host that supports embeds. Also, make sure the link points to the playable page, rather than a home page or a menu that requires extra clicks. Before you finalize, choose how you want the game to display. You'll see style options such as a preview style embed or showing the whole page. The preview option usually places the interactive game frame directly on your site, keeping things compact and focused. The whole page option pulls in more of the source site, which can be helpful if the game needs its full layout, but may look busier. Pick the style that best matches your page design and how much space you want the game to take. Once you're satisfied with the choice and the preview looks right, click Insert. The game will drop onto your canvas where you can refine its placement. Now customize the look and fit. Drag the corners to resize the embedded frame so the controls and play area are clearly visible without awkward scrolling. You can move the embed block to different sections, center it for a clean layout, or align it alongside text or images for context. Leave a little breathing room above and below so the page doesn't feel cramped. If the game has a wide aspect ratio, give it enough width to avoid cutting off important buttons. For clarity, consider adding a short caption or instructions nearby, such as how to start or which keys to use, so visitors can jump right in confidently. And that's it. With the embed selected, the right combination of URL, display style, and simple adjustments will make your Google site feel interactive and polished.